Guys, this wig is going to be a bonus wig to anyone who's going to buy more than 3 weeks from me, as from 14th to 19th of this month. That is from Tuesday to Sunday. This is going to be a bonus wig for you. So buy 3 wigs and get this one free. It has a closure. And then you can style it like this. You can style it any way you want. Yeah, so buy 3 wigs, get 1 free. Or this one. You are going to get a bonus wig. So either this one or the bob one. Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this bob wig. So if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So this is the cap that I'm going to use. You don't have to use the type of cap. I'm just using it because this is what I have right now. So you can use the normal cap that has a lace in the middle instead of using the ear to ear lace front. There's a video shared with you on how to make this cap. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it in the description box down below. And then of course you need braids. I'll be using this short Abuja braids number 2. And for the bob wigs, I prefer using a short braids because they kind of create the bob even before you create it. First of all, I'm going to mark the middle part of my cap. This is going to be the parting area, and then we're going to crochet the hair on the cap. There are 2 methods I'm going to use. First of all, we're going to crochet the hair on the cap and braid them, or we're going to sew the hair on the cap and braid them. So you have to choose. You can either crochet the hair and braid, or sew the hair on the cap then braid them. So just use whichever method you prefer. You can crochet and braid or sew the hair and braid them, but I always prefer crochet method because it's easier compared to sewing and then braiding them. So this is the first method where you crochet and braid. Split your braids into 3 and just braid the way you can braid the normal braids, like you're braiding your own hair. So like I told you, I love short braids because they kind of create the bob even before you create it. Like you can see this one, it already looks like a bob. So this is our second method, sewing method. You sew the hair on the cap and then braid them. Divide the hair into 3 and braid them. This is not my favorite style. I really don't like this style when it comes to individual braiding. But then if you don't have crochet stick, if you can't do the crochet method, then you can sew the hair and braid them. But it's not my favorite style when it comes to individual braiding. So when you're braiding the opposite side, make sure they're close to each other because you don't want the pattern to look so big. You want it to look so natural. I'm done braiding. I didn't want to use so much hair at the back because I don't want my wig to be bulky. I used 6 packs of short Abuja braids, and that is enough. And then on the sides I decided to sew 3 lines so that when I style it, no one can see the cap. So as you can see, when I style it, no one is even going to see the cap. So as you saw at the back, I didn't add more braids because I don't want my cap to be bulky. So what I'm going to do to cover the cap so that when I wear the wig, no one can see the cap, I'm going to sew the braids together and then sew them on the cap. So before you cut your braids, make sure you try the wig on and mark where you're going to cut. So I tried this wig on and I know where I'm supposed to cut.
A tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back.
So to prevent your braids from unraveling after you cut them, you're going to band the ends and then cut the flyaways to make it neater.
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change. I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again.
I applied concealer on the lace and then I saw an elastic band at the back just to make it more secure. I did attach combs on this, so this is how it looks, the parting area. Yeah, so let's just try it on.
Asking for forgiveness, 'cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment.
So guys, today I didn't feel like doing the baby hair. I'm just okay with it like this. But then on my bob wigs, I don't love doing the baby hair. Like if you can see with this one, I don't love doing the baby hair on bob wigs. Yeah, so I can just wear it like this.
Didn't mean to make them break, where I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change.
So if you feel like the parting is too big, you can just apply a pencil just to reduce the size. This is how it looks at the back. I'm trying to find a pin but I can't get it, so you can style it like this. You can take these 2 braids and pin them on the sides like this. But then I prefer if you wear it like this, then it should be a bit longer, because I feel like this side is too short, so it should be long, at least longer and slightly longer. Yeah, I prefer the mid parting. Just comment below if you love this wig, if you can try it, if you can buy it. Yeah, so that was it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.